Okay, so we've got a 2017 Holden Colorado dual cab chassis, 4x4, 2.8 turbo diesel manual. Got the tow bar there, she's on there. Presents in excellent condition. Got the full roof tray up there as well. All-terrain tyres. It's got the bull bar with the big King's LEDs. Value of 13,999. Take a look at the interior. So we've got the cruise control on the steering wheel there. There's your kilometres and dash, 100 k's. Colour screen, air conditioning. It's a 6-speed manual, and you've got your full 4-wheel drive options there as well. Driver's seat, that's in excellent condition. There's no wear or damage there. There's your logbooks. Got the side airbags too. And there's your back seat there, all looking very good. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a